special warning.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., multiple severe thunderstorms were located over New Lenox, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Joliet, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Roseland, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Blue Island, Dothan, Park Forest, Homewood, Alsip, Madison, Mokina, and Frankfort. This includes University of St. Francis, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Channahon State Park, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governors State University, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, and Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no